Good afternoon and welcome to another week of the Weekly Advisor Movements for the 9th of February 2023, brought to you by AR Data, powered by Advisor Ratings. So for this week, we've actually seen a massive gain of 25 advisors coming back to the industry. That's 20 leaving with 45 returning. That is one of the biggest weeks I've seen in a very long time. We've seen 11 advisors switch licensees and 8 completely new advisors. This brings us to a number of 15,874 for the week. So who's new? Ryan Halliday has joined Charter Financial Planning. Jessica Simunic has joined Interprac. And Phoebe Mumbray has joined Stonehouse. Welcome to the industry, guys. On to the biggest gains. This week we have seen Focus Partners with 2 new entrants, bringing them up to 2. Perpetual with 3 new joiners to 85. Fortnum with 4 new joiners, bringing them to 215. Smart Financial with 9 new joiners, bringing them to 9. And Zurich with 14 new joiners, bringing them up to 14. On to the biggest losses for this week. Pareto Wealth has lost 1 advisor. Lonsdale is down 2. Oriana Financial is down 2. AMP is down 3. And Matrix Planning Solutions is down 4. And that is all for this week, guys. Just to let you know, the Quality of Advice review has been released, so don't forget to go check that out. It may be part of the reason as why we are seeing so many new joiners. And don't forget to claim your profile on advisorratings.com.au so you can interact with the consumers who may be looking for financial advice. That's all for me today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again next week. Thanks. See ya.